Welcome to Serenity Sprout, where your wellness journey begins. Picture a practice that unites body, mind, and spirit, transcending the realms of the physical and mental. This is yoga, an age-old discipline rooted in the heart of ancient India, a practice that promotes overall health and tranquility. Yoga, with its myriad poses and sequences, is a gentle yet potent method to enhance physical strength, flexibility, and balance. But its benefits extend beyond the physical. Yoga also fosters mental clarity, reduces stress, and cultivates inner peace, making it a holistic approach to well-being. Whether you're a seasoned wellness enthusiast or a newcomer seeking a healthier lifestyle, yoga offers a path that meets you where you are. So leave behind the hustle and bustle of daily life and step into a world of calm and serenity. Now embark on a journey of tranquility with yoga. Begin your journey with the mountain pose, also known as Tadasana. A fundamental yoga posture, Tadasana embodies the spirit of a mountain, steady, grounded, and serene. To perform the mountain pose, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Let your arms hang naturally by your sides. Breathe deeply and evenly as you distribute your weight evenly across both feet. Gently draw your abdominal muscles in and up, tuck your tailbone under, and lengthen your spine. Lift your chest and roll your shoulders back and down. Allow your gaze to rest softly on the horizon and imagine the crown of your head reaching towards the sky. The mountain pose is known for its multitude of benefits. It works to improve posture, increase awareness, and steady the breath. It strengthens your thighs, knees, and ankles while reducing flat feet. It also helps in relieving sciatica and reducing the effects of stress. Tadasana forms the base for all other standing poses in yoga. Next, transition into the downward facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Begin by planting your hands and knees on the ground, aligning your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Tuck your toes under and slowly lift your hips, straightening your legs and elongating your spine. As you settle into the pose, aim for an inverted V shape, with your body forming two straight lines from your wrists to your shoulders and from your hips to your heels. This pose is a real powerhouse, strengthening your upper body while stretching your hamstrings and calves. It also promotes blood circulation, sending fresh oxygen to your brain, leaving you feeling refreshed and invigorated. Plus, it's a fantastic pose for relieving stress and mild depression, helping to quiet the mind and create a sense of tranquility. Remember, yoga is not about perfection, but about self-discovery and improvement. So don't worry if you can't get it right the first time. Be patient with yourself. This pose rejuvenates and energizes the body. Now prepare for the Warrior I pose, or Virabhadrasana Y. Let's begin by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Step your right foot forward about 3 to 4 feet, aligning the heel of your front foot with the heel of your back foot. Pivot your back foot to about a 45-degree angle, ensuring your toes point slightly forward. Bend your right knee so it aligns directly over your right ankle, forming a right angle with your thigh and calf. Keep your left leg straight and strong. Raise your arms overhead, aligning them with your ears, and gaze forward or slightly up, keeping your focus soft. Feel the strength and stability from this pose. It cultivates focus, balance, and determination. The Warrior I pose also stretches your chest and lungs, shoulders and neck, belly, and your groins. It energizes the entire body and can be therapeutic for those with sciatica. Warrior I is a pose that commemorates the spiritual warrior within. Let's now move on to Warrior II, also known as Virabhadrasana II. This powerful pose is named after a fierce warrior, Virabhadra, an incarnation of Lord Shiva in Hindu mythology. To begin, stand tall, then step or jump your feet wide apart. Turn your right foot out by 90 degrees and your left foot in slightly. Extend your arms out to your sides, reaching strongly from fingertip to fingertip. Now bend your right knee until it's over your right ankle, while keeping your left leg straight. Turn your head to gaze out over your right hand. Breathe deeply, grounding down through your feet while soaring upwards through your crown. Hold for a few breaths, then repeat on the other side. Warrior II strengthens your legs, opens your hips and chest, and increases stamina. It also encourages deep breathing, which can help to calm the mind. This pose promotes concentration and a sense of grounding. It's like a physical affirmation of your presence and strength in the world. Next, find balance with the tree pose, or Vrksasana. Start by standing tall, feet hip-width apart, and hands at your side. Shift your weight onto your right foot. Bend your left knee, then reach down and clasp your left ankle. Guide your left foot up and place the sole against your right thigh or calf, never on the knee. Rest your hands on your hips and lengthen your tailbone toward the floor. Once you're balanced, bring your hands in front of your chest in a prayer position or reach them toward the sky. Gaze softly at a fixed point in front of you on the floor, or, if you are really balanced, close your eyes. Stay for 5 deep breaths, then lower your leg and switch sides. Vrksasana strengthens your legs, opens your hips, and improves your balance and focus. It also stretches your groin and inner thighs, promoting full body balance. Tree pose is a symbol of balance and stability in yoga. Now ease into the seated forward bend, also known as Paschimottanasana. This soothing pose is a beautiful blend of tranquility and challenge. Let's explore it together. Begin by sitting tall with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale deeply, elongating your spine, and as you exhale, slowly bend forward from your hips, reaching your hands towards your toes. Don't worry if you can't touch them. The goal here is not about how far you can reach, but about feeling a gentle stretch along your spine and the backs of your legs. The seated forward bend is a wonderful pose to incorporate into your daily routine. It helps in stretching your spine, hamstrings, and shoulders, promoting flexibility and relieving tension. But its magic goes beyond the physical, reaching into the realm of the mind. It's known to calm the mind, fostering inner peace and tranquility. This pose helps to relieve stress and anxiety. So, make Paschimottanasana your go-to pose whenever life feels a bit too fast-paced. Next, transition into the Cobra pose, or Bhujangasana. Start by lying flat on your stomach, palms flat on the floor beneath your shoulders. Your toes should point towards the back of the room, legs close together. With a deep inhale, gently lift your chest off the floor while keeping your lower body grounded. Draw your shoulders back and down, away from your ears, and press your chest forward. This pose is named after the king cobra, ready to strike with its hood open. Bhujangasana is revered for its numerous health benefits. It strengthens the spine, promoting good posture, and helps to open the chest, improving respiratory function. It also stimulates abdominal organs, improving digestion. Moreover, it can help to reduce stress and fatigue, rejuvenating the body and mind. Remember to keep your movements slow and controlled, listening to your body's cues. With regular practice, you'll notice an improvement in your posture and overall flexibility. Cobra pose is a great way to improve posture and flexibility. Now surrender to the child's pose, also known as Balasana. This gentle resting pose is a wonderful way to bring peace to your mind and body. To enter into this pose, start by kneeling on your mat. Then lean forward, extending your arms out in front of you as your forehead touches the mat. Allow your torso to rest on your thighs and your arms to relax alongside your body, palms facing upwards. This pose is a soft embrace, a moment to breathe and let go. As you hold this pose, you might find that it helps relieve back and neck pain as it gently stretches these areas. But the benefits of Balasana aren't only physical. This pose can also calm the mind, helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. It encourages introspection and a sense of inner peace, making it a perfect pause in our hectic lives. This pose is a great way to relax and unwind. You've successfully navigated through the top 10 essential yoga poses for beginners. We started with the mountain pose, or Tadasana, which helps in improving posture and balance. Then we moved on to the downward facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana, which stretches the entire body. Next, we explored the Warrior 1 and Warrior 2, also known as Virabhadrasana 1 and 2, poses that build strength and stamina. Our journey then took us to the tree pose, or Vrksasana, a pose that fosters mental tranquility. The seated forward bend, or Paschimottanasana, followed, aiding in stress relief and digestion. We then explored the cobra pose or bhujangasana, which strengthens the spine and relieves back pain. And finally, we ended with the child's pose or balasana, a restful pose that calms the mind. Remember, the journey of yoga is ongoing. Keep practicing, stay patient, and you'll reap benefits in due course.